So introduction to SAP, we have covered the topic, and after
Yes, sir.
that we covered the introduction to business. That is in the first day we covered this, and after that we have the introduction to basis. It's a architecture only. SAP architecture we have covered. Landscape is nothing but the how the system will work. That is covered. Define company we have covered that. That is creating a company ID and all. So that is also covered. Define company code is covered. Define and assign company code. This is covered. Business area we have to cover that. The assignment, assign company to company code we have covered. Fiscal year variant we are going to do it today. Fiscal year variant, posting period variant, assign variants, opening and closing of posting period, define field status variants, assign company code to fiscal year variant, define tolerance groups. And after that, we are going to cover the define document type, number ranges, chart of accounts, assign company code to chart of account, retain earnings account, exchange rates, payment terms. All this we are going to cover. So this is where we have covered. So introduction to SAP we have covered, business we have covered, basis we have covered, architecture we have covered, system landscape we have covered, define company and company code we have covered, assign company to company code we have covered. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now we are going to so controlling area, ledgers, we have covered this. Now we are going for the variant principles, that is fiscal year variant. Okay, we'll start from here. So fiscal year variant can be year dependent and year specific. That I told you a lot of times. Okay, year dependent is nothing but it covers the 12 months of periods. It can be a calendar year or it can be a non-calendar year. Year specific is nothing but it can be vary from year to year. This year it will be 6 months. Next year it will go for the 12 months period. So this is called as year specific. So on top of this 12 periods, the SAP has another 4 special periods. We call it as special periods. 4 special periods is nothing but we call it as 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, if you have doubts, please raise your voice so that I can able to understand. Okay, so where this special periods comes? This is the first question. So the special periods will come at the time of year end. First point is this special periods will come at the time of year end. So special periods will come at the time of year end. This is the first. Okay. Second thing is special periods will come at the time of year end. Second, where and all it can be used. Okay. So it will be used only for the year end activities. There is no normal posting will happen. First thing is there will be no normal posting will happen. Only closing activities will be done. And no normal postings. This is the second thing. Next, special periods, only closing activities, no normal posting. This is the second thing. Third one is, this is used for accruals, deferrals, and all adjustment entries. Okay, so anyone can explain what is meant by accruals and deferrals? Any idea?
Sir, accruals is a concept of accounting in which we recognize the expenses uh, irrespective of when the cash is received. It is recognized on the basis of when it is incurred. And deferrals are like prepaid expenses. Deferred revenue and deferred expenditure, there are two terms.
So you're telling that prepaid and postpaid, right?
Yes, sir. Like a Netflix subscription, company record is as a liability.
Yeah, that's correct. So accruals and deferrals are the prepaids and postpaids only. Okay, as you told. Okay, so what happens means accruals and deferrals we need to set off. Correct. At the time of year end, we need to set off for the actual expenses. Correct or not? Am I correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So actual expenses we need to set off this. So that will be done at the time of year end activities. Adjustment entries or reconciliation entries, we call it as BRS, bank reconciliation statements, or any other reconciliation entries. Reconciliation entries. So we are using these special periods. Okay. Either it can be a bank reconciliation statement, or it can be an accruals or deferrals, or any adjustment entries. So at the time of year-end activities only, this special periods will be used. How it will be used is nothing but. So we will first close all 12 months. That is normal. 12 months normal entries. Okay. And then close. This is the first. And after that, we will block postings. Block postings. So this is nothing but at the time of year end, we don't need any interruptions by entering a new entries in the same year. So it should be proper closure activities needs to be done. So we close or block all the postings for the particular financial years. Okay, this is the second step. Third step only we will open special periods. So these special periods used to post all the adjustment entries or any reconciliation entry or missed out entries. So all these activities will be done in these special periods only. Just 1 minute. So we need to open the special periods and we want to post the entries there. That is the close all 12 months, block for postings, and open the special periods, and we can able to do that. So special periods will be 4, that is maximum. So we can have one minimum. Okay, this is the set we have that. Okay, that is 4 maximum and 1 minimum periods we can able to set. If you don't want the special periods, we can stop with 12 months itself. At the time of 12th month closing itself, we can do the year-end activities. That is also possible. Okay. So, but SAP recommends to have the special periods so that there will be no wrong entries will happen in the other areas. That is in the other periods at the time of closing. So what happens means it will make a confusion. So because of this reason, the special periods comes into existence. I'll put it in the okay. So this is the periods. Okay. So next we are going to see about calendar year and non-calendar year. Okay. So the calendar year is nothing but Jan to December. Non-calendar is nothing but other than Jan to December. That is 1st April to 31st March 2012. For example, I'm giving. So for that, we need to set the year shift indicator. Year shift indicator is nothing but that time I explained, what is meant by year shift indicator. So year shift indicator is nothing but the -1 we are giving. It's nothing but it fall in the same financial year. But when it compares to the calendar year, it will be -1 because it is not in the future, it will be in the past. Okay, this is called as the fiscal year shift indicator. So another one is called short-term fiscal year. Short-term fiscal year is nothing but anything is less than 12 months of period is called as the short-term fiscal years. So in the customizing, we are going to work on this, that I will show you that. So here SP RO. So in this we need to go to reference IMG. Here we want to go to the financial accounting new. Here financial accounting global settings. Here ledgers, fiscal year and posting periods. Okay. So here maintain fiscal year variant. So this is the main thing. So that is a lot of periods are there. Okay. So I position put K4. That is a thing we want to have. Copy. I want to repeat or can I go ahead? Hello.
So please repeat once.
Repeat also. This is the screen where you are. Okay. So here you type SP or O. Okay. So this is the first step normally. Okay. Second step will be reference IMG. Okay. Here we need to go to the financial accounting new. Can you listen? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Here financial accounting global settings new. Okay. So up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Ledgers. Here fiscal year and posting period. Clear? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So here we want to click on this clock. Okay. It will go inside. Here we need to click on that position. Okay. Position is nothing but find. Okay. Here type K4. Are you clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Click, select that K4. Clear? Okay. So after this, save us, copy us. Okay. Here instead of K4, I will give 1.5 for example. This I leave it. It's a calendar year, 12 periods and 4 posting special periods. So this is the first step. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Next, press enter. I repeat, now I'm going to press enter. Okay. After press enter, this entry will come. You have to put copy all. Please remember, you have to give copy all. Not this one, copy entry. Okay. Copy all. So number of entries copied 496, then give OK. If you give only copy entries, then it will not copy that. So I have given like that. Okay. Then I will select this, double click on periods. Yes. I'll go to this test.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we are creating special periods, right?
No, we are creating an fiscal year variant with 4 special periods.
For the company.
Yeah, after this only we are going to assign it to the company.
Okay.
I'll show you that. So this one only we created, correct? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, this one only we have created. In that, see here, number of posting period is 12, and number of special period is 4. If you don't want 4 special periods, we can delete and put 1 also. That is also possible. We can able to save it. Or we can able to put all the 4 also. That is also possible. So this is the minimum and maximum. So this is the period. We double click on periods. So the periods cannot be maintained for calendar dependent because there will be no year shift indicator for this. So there will be no calendar dependent. Because of this reason, there will be no periods will be determined. So it is automatically be Jan to December. Got my point?
No, sir.
See, this is an calendar year. This 15, whichever I created, is called as a calendar year. Okay. So I clicked on this calendar year. It is not a year independent. It is a calendar year. Okay. So calendar year is nothing but January to December. Okay. There is nothing but Jan to December. Got my point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So there will be no year shift indicator, correct? Because it normally Jan to December only. So there will be no year shift indicator. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So there will be no year shift indicator. So there is no need of putting -1 and all. Correct? Correct or not?
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So because of this reason, there is no periods maintained for this. Now you got my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is calendar year. Now I'm going to create one non-calendar year. Okay. See, for non-calendar years, you should not put a tick mark in the checkbox. You have to leave it blank. Then only it will call us non-calendar year. Now I'm going to create one non-calendar year. Please remember non-calendar year. Previously, 15 is for calendar year. Now I'm going to create one non-calendar year. Okay. I just click on this 1M. Okay. After that, copy as. I'll put it as 19. Okay. So the calendar button, I have not put a tick mark. This is the first thing. The calendar year, I have not put any tick mark. If I put tick mark, it will be Jan to December. I repeat, if I put tick mark, it will be Jan to December. If I leave it blank only, it will be non-calendar year. So non-calendar year is nothing but April to March or July to June. Calendar year is nothing but Jan to December. Any doubts in this? Hello? Yes or no? Can I proceed? Yes or no? Hello? Are you there? Guys, please let me know. Can I go ahead or not? Hello? Are you able to hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Yeah, can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So next, press enter. Okay. Here also give copy all. Don't give this one. I repeat, don't give this one, this one. Okay, copy all. So 15 entries got copied. okay. Okay. Now the 19 is got created. Now save this entry. Done. Next, I am going to give that. Select this. Now double click on periods. See, it is opened. Because for calendar year, there will be no periods, but non-calendar year, the periods needs to be set. Can I go ahead?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah. So here, month 1 will be 31 days, correct? That is January. But it will be fall under 10th period for us. So there will be an year shift indicator called -1. And 2 is nothing but the February. 29 days is the day in the calendar. And period will be 11th period. But when it is compared to calendar, it will be second period. So year shift indicator -1. Third one is March 31st. So 31 days will be there. 12th period, that is the last period. -1 indicator is specified here. Now you understood what is meant by year shift indicator? Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. So after this, I just show you the period text. So it's in the English language. Any short-term fiscal year, nothing. Okay. You okay. Save the entry. So we have created two things. One is 19, another one is 15. 19 is for calendar, non-calendar year. So non-calendar year. 15 is for calendar year. Next, we are going to create one short-term fiscal year. That is called as year independent. Okay. I will copy this October to December. I repeat, now I am going to create one fiscal year variant for year dependent. So October to December, I am taking that as an year dependent. Okay. So why? Because October, November, December, only 3 months. It is not completing 12 months of period. You got my point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take this. Copy as. So I'll take this one. Copy as. Press enter. 1 year I will delete it and I'll put it as 20, 21. Okay. Press enter. Copy on. Okay. Okay. So I just copied. Okay. 1 year independent. Financial year. Double click on periods. Double click on periods. Click give OK. So double click on shortened fiscal year. So it's a year dependent. So it's not a calendar year or non-calendar year. So we want to set this. So for example, I will put it as I will delete this once. Okay. Shorten fiscal years. Give OK. New entries. I'll put it as April, May, June, July. It's a calendar year, right? A calendar year. I'll put it as 10, 11, 10, 11. Number of posting periods. I'll put it as 4. Okay, so that is the main thing, number of posting periods, and save this entry. So this year it will be only 4 periods it can be posted. Okay. So this is how the postings will be happened. Okay. I think that's a problem. Some problems. I'll take some other thing. Please wait. Yes. So 21 is there. That is the here I put it as 4 periods. Okay. And here I'll put it as 1, that is a special periods. Then select this. First I'll save this entry. Okay. After this, double click on periods. Okay. Short on fiscal years. Okay. New entries. 004. Save the entry. Okay. So, I think copy function is not working properly. I'll go with the new entries. You also at the time of practice, go with the new entries. Hello, are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy function is not working properly. So you go with the new entries only. Okay. 001, 01, days 31, 01. Yes, you will take leave it blank because I'm going for the calendar year. Or I'll put it as 10, 4 periods, no? So I'll put a September, October, November, December. Okay, September is 09. Okay. 10. And September will be 30 days, right? 30. And period will be 9th period. 31. The period will be 10th period. 11. The period will be 30 and period will be 11. And 12 is nothing but the December 31, 12th period. Okay, press enter. This. Okay, I will come from the first. For short-term fiscal year is not working properly, so I will go with the normal procedure, that is create from the scratch. Are the guys are there? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, global settings, ledgers, fiscal year and posting periods, maintain fiscal year variant. That too okay, but now I'm short-term fiscal year, I'm creating from the new one. I'll go with the new entries. I'm not copying anything. Okay, I'll put it as 23. Description, shortened fiscal year. Okay, year dependent. Okay, number of posting periods I will put it as 4. Special periods I'll put it as 1. Okay, and after that I will save this entry. 53 is the no 54. I put X2. X5. $69. Okay, 69 is available. So if it is comes like that, change the number because it is already there. That's it. Give okay. So shortened fiscal year, year dependent, number of postings I given. Now double click on periods. Okay, give okay. New entries. I'll put it as 10 days 31. 9 days 30. Sorry, 9. That is 09. 30 days. Period will be 09 because I'm going for calendar year. Okay. 10. 31 days. 10. Period. 11. 30 days. 11. 12. 31 days. 12. Okay. Just save this entry. Or I'll put as period 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because this is the 4 periods we are going to work for that. Okay. Save the entry. So data was saved. Okay. Now double click on shorten fiscal years. Give OK. So 4 periods year dependent. New entries. 1, 2, 3. Delete this one. So I've given the 4 periods. So this is the period. Shortened fiscal years will be given as 3, that is a max and all. So everything I given. So whatever I done, you do it in the video, see it in the video and do that. Okay. So after that it is got saved. So this is done. Shortened fiscal year. I given 4 periods, that is year dependent. I am not giving any year shift indicator because it falls in the calendar year. So this is done. So this is called as the maintaining the fiscal year variant. So system issues. Okay. Save this entry. Go back. And this. shortened fiscal year is not working properly. So you just do that normal calendar and non-calendar year. Shortened fiscal year, please understand because some issues are there. Okay. Hello. Are you there? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Do that calendar year, non-calendar year that I created for you. Okay. After that, we need to assign that calendar year and non-calendar year. One is 19, that is a fiscal year variant. I created this, March to this one. And after that, '21. This is the year dependent I created. And after that, we have the 20. The one what I created. Q4. Yes, 23. So I will do another time that calendar year because I don't know where I saved it. K4, copy as. I'll put it as ZZ. 2K maybe. Copy all. Okay. So one is 2K I created. Another one is I created the 19. Okay. So these are the two things I created. I'm just going to assign that to the company code. Position 19. Okay, and 2K. These are the two things I created. Now I'm going to assign it. So there is an assigned company code to fiscal year variant. Here, whatever I created, for example, so next is assign company code to fiscal year variant. So click on that. What I created, I forgot the name of that. So do you remember what I created? Hello. So let me know, anybody has created any company code, please let me know that. I will assign and show you how it will be assigned. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
there? Hello. So this week you have created your company code. No, please let me know the company code. I will assign and show you how it will be. Nobody has done anything this week. Not created any company or company code. Hello. Hello. Alida. Okay. Here JKL1 is there is no fiscal year variant. I'm just going to assign it. Okay. So I will put it as 2K. That is a calendar year and 4 specific years. Okay. And after that, save this. So this is how the assignment of company fiscal year variant to company code. So once it is assigned only, okay, it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. Or we can able to change the fiscal year variant. For example, I'll delete it and put it as 19. This is also possible. So see, April to March. That is also possible. Okay. Or I can put 21. That is a special periods. That is a short-term fiscal year. This is also possible. So like that, the client will decide what fiscal year variant you want to give to them. So I will put it as 2K. Okay, this will work. So this is a calendar year and 4 special periods. You got my point? Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So the assignment will be done here. Then only it will work. So we copied from here. So the K4 will be there. So based on that, it will work. So this is nothing but the calendar year. That is January to December. Any doubts here? Hello. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Everybody is okay? Others? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Others are okay? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we are going to do the currencies. Okay. So the basic functions of currencies. So any idea about what is meant by currency? Hello. Any idea about currencies?
Currencies for a country that trades, people trade in that amount.
Okay. So the thing is, where and all the currency is used.
Again,
See,
sir.
the basic functions of currencies is nothing but you are doing the trading. Okay, trading is nothing but the business I'm telling. I'm not telling about share market trading at all. I'm just telling you about the basic trading. That is sale of goods. Okay. So at the time of sale of goods, you will receive the money. Correct or not? Hello? You receive the money.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, receive the money. If it is domestic, there will be no problem. INR to INR. If it is international trading, so there needs to be currency rates needs to be set. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you are doing the currency with the US dollars, so what is the exchange rate? So this should be vice versa also. That is, you have to maintain USD to INR and also INR to USD in the SAP system. Okay. So this is the currency keys we are going to set in the SAP system. So for dollars, everybody knows it's a US dollars, it will be dollar symbol, and Great Britain and euro, there will be euro symbol. For India, there is a currency symbol is there, that is for rupees. Japanese in the currency settings will be there. Okay, these are all the currency keys. Got my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So in SAP system, there are certain exchange rate types are maintained in the SAP system. We can use any rate types for our company. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it can be historical rate, bank selling rate, bank buying rate, average rate, and rate on certain key dates. Like that, we can able to maintain the currency exchange rates types. Okay. Historical rate is nothing but, for example, in 1980, the US dollars versus INR is around, for example, it will be 100, not 100, 10 rupees, for example. If you want to buy US dollars, it will be 10 rupees. If you want to sell US dollars, it will be 11 rupees. Like that, we have the currency rate types. So that same 10 will be followed for the historical rate. Okay. But now, in this current ECC 6.0 enhancement package 7, okay, this historical rate is ruled out. But for your understanding, I'm explaining this. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next is bank selling rate and buying rate. Okay. If you go and buy US dollars from the bank, they will give it for you. That is a buying rate I'm telling. Sorry, a bank selling rate. That is, we are buying, bank is selling the rate. Is nothing but for 82 rupees, for example, 1 US dollars. Bank buying rate is, if you are going and give the US dollars, they will give you 80 INR. That is buying rate. Selling rate is always higher than the buying rate. It's like that. Bank buying rate. So this is the bank buying rate. For example, you want to buy, bank buying rate is nothing but they want to buy the US dollars. That is US dollars to INR. For example, I'm giving. Okay, it will be 82. Okay, bank selling rate is nothing but this is nothing but INR to US dollars. It will be 80. So normally it will be like this only, because if you want to convert US dollars to INR, why they are charging us 82 is nothing but, for example, they will get that. Okay, so the commissions, the amount will be, commissions will be there. So that is called as the buying rate and selling rate. So that will be available. So this is how the bank will be doing it. Okay. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
So if you go to the bank, you can able to see that. Okay. So this is called as the buying rate and selling rate, for example. Okay. So for this, we have to maintain two types of things. One is buying rate, we don't need to maintain the exchange rate, and selling rate also we need to maintain the exchange rates. So next is we have the average rate. Average rate is nothing but 80 plus 2, 80 plus 82 divided by 2. This is the average rate, we call it as. So for this, we need to maintain only one exchange rate. Okay, exchange rate table. So that what happens means it will use the average rate. So 80 plus 82 divided by 2. What is the today's rate? So like that, for buying and selling, it will do the calculations. You got my point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is called the average rate. So most of the companies use this average rate only. Why? Because they don't need to go for buying and selling rate. Sometimes it will be mismatching. So most of the companies will go for the average rate. Any doubts up to here?
No, sir.
So the T code, transaction code will be OB08. I'll put it in the chat box itself. This is the T code for maintaining the exchange rates. So where this T code is to be put is nothing but exit. Here, this is called the transaction bar. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just one second. So this is called the, so T codes needs to be entered here. So this is T codes are called as the shortcut keys. Enter here. So this is called as T codes or shortcut keys. So I will put that OB08 here only. This is the area OB08. This is called as the currency exchange rate tables. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here what happens means in real time, okay, there is no need of updating this. So we will make a link between this table, okay, and another one called the external link, that is a bank server. So every day the exchange rate will be updated once the bank server got updated. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here another one is called direct and indirect quotation. So this is called as direct and indirect quotation is nothing but I will go for that next. So the translation ratios we want to set, for example, dollar to Great British pound, it will be 1:1. For dollar to INR, it will be 1:1. But yens, that is Japanese yens, they will calculate as a units. Okay, they will not call it as one. That is, for example, India it will be 1 rupee and $1 in US, but euro it will be 1 euro, like that only it will come. But in Japan, how they will do it means they will tell it as units, that is paisa. For example, 100 paise equivalent to 1 rupee, but for them they will tell it in paisa only. That is, paise is nothing but the units, they call it as yens. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, dollars normally the paise they will call it as cents. For euro they will call it as cents. So that cent will be equivalent to here. So because of the reason 1:100 ratio it will come for yen only. Other currencies 1:1 only. Okay. So every exchange rate type will be from and to will be there, and valid from, these are all needs to be set. Okay. If dollar to euro, then euro to dollar needs to be there. If dollar to yen, yen to dollar needs to be set. Then only the system will calculate vice versa. So US dollars to INR also can be calculated. INR to US dollars also needs to be calculated. See here, euro, 1 euro, INR. Okay, 1 GBP INR. I'll put it as INR only. For example, exchange rate type, I'll put it as M, that is average. Currency, I will put it as INR. See, exchange rate type, 1 INR to AED, 1 INR to 1 DEM, 1 INR to euro. So exchange rate type is, this is called as M. M is nothing but average rate. Fixed price. So these are all the types we'll be having that. Okay. ICBS, like that we can have that. See, M is a standard translations at average rate. Hello. Guys, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is how the average needs to be set. Okay. So same like that, INR to EUR also will be there. I will go to the position. I'll put exchange rate type M. From currency, I will put it as EUR. To currency, I will put it as INR. See, euro to INR is there, no? Are you following me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Same like that, INR to euro also will be there. Then only it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. So this will be euro to INR is, if you send euro dollars, it will be get converted to INR automatically. Okay. For example, exchange rate type M, INR to euro, that is also will be there. See, INR to euro. Then only if you send money to European countries, the INR will be automatically get converted to euro. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these values and all derived or updated from the bank servers. These values, direct quotation values. And indirect quotations are there. That I will explain you. Direct and indirect quotations. So that's what I told you. Selling rate B, buying rate G, and average rate is M. That is a what is it? This is called as the identification, IDs we call it as. Okay, we cannot able to put average rate like that and all. M, B, G like that. See here, position, here exchange rate type. So here I cannot able to put average rate, buying rate, selling rate full. So for that short key, that is a short ID, identity is M, B, and G. If I put B, put entry. So these are all the B, buying rates. Got it?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And if I put G, it is got a selling rate. So like that it will work. Okay. So mostly average rate will be taken. Selling rate is B. Sorry, I just told wrongly. Selling rate is B. Buying rate is G. So to enter anything here, dollar or euro or whatever may be, it will be automatically converted to other currencies which we maintain here in the B and G. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going for the direct quotations and indirect quotation. What is meant by direct quotation? What is meant by indirect quotation? Indirect quotation is local to foreign currency. Hello.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. So what happens means INR to US dollars or INR to euro, all these are called as the indirect quotations.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is here they put it as local currency is euro. So euro to dollars is called as indirect quotation. But foreign currency to local currency. Okay. Foreign currency is, for example, dollar to euro. Or if you are in India, euro to INR. That is called as direct quotations. If any money you receive from other countries, that is called as direct quotation. Any money you pay to other country, that is called as indirect quotation. So both direct quotation and indirect quotation needs to be maintained. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is called the exchange rates. So for maintaining this exchange rates, if I give this table to everybody, all total, how many people are you there? All 18 peoples. If I give this table to all 18 peoples, what happens? Any idea? Any idea? So everybody will spoil that table. Too many cooks will spoil the food. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
for that we are maintaining an work list. So work list is nothing but we will pick certain candidates, that is certain employees who are expert in this currency rate translations. They will put it as an one group. Okay. And one manager will be allotted for them to manage these 5 employees. So all this we will create on work list. So for one employee, you are responsible for INR, Euro, Australian dollars, and second employee, you are responsible for US dollars, Euro, Japanese yen, and another set of employees, Singapore dollars, Malaysian ringgit. Like that, we can able to bifurcate or divide the work between that 5 employees. So all these 5 employees will be managed by one manager. So like that, daily we can able to do the activities. Got it?
Got it, sir.
So this is called as work list for maintaining the exchange rates. So this can be done by the basis consultant. We are not doing that. We are giving the recommendation. We can do like this. So currency rate, that is directly quoted exchange rate, or indirectly it can be done. That is Euro to US dollars or US dollars to Euro. We want to do the exchange rate corrections. Any doubts here?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Sorry, that shortened fiscal year is not working properly because of the reason it got delayed. I think it is not confused you, right? You understood the concept of the shortened fiscal year? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you understood that what is calendar year, non-calendar year, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you understood that how it is maintained, that configuration settings, that path and all, right? Copiers, functions, everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going with the next. We are going with the maintaining the general ledger accounts, profits and segments, and customer and vendor accounts. So what we are going to see here, we are going to see about the understanding the basic settings of chart of accounts. What is meant by chart of accounts, how it is maintained. Okay. Everybody log into your system, SAP system. I will give you some certain exercise to you. So we'll work on that together. Display mode is not a problem. We'll go with the display mode. Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir.
Open. Everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Open. Just wait. I'll give some short cut keys. Okay, so that no need of going through the path. You got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll give some things. So for fiscal year, we maintain no. So for that, I will give the things. First, you go to the /NOB29. It will go here. No need of path. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You want this or You don't want it. Hello. So this one is OB29. This is the T code. Transaction code. You have to enter here. This one. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So everybody came to the screen? Everybody came to the screen or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here what you want to do is click on this position and put K4 here. For you, it's in display mode. So how to do that? I will show you like this. Okay, K4. So that after that you put a tick mark here and copy yes. This is the first thing. Second one is for non-calendar year, you use this K9. If you have a notepad, please take a note of this K9 and copy yes. Okay. And after that, do your exercise. Okay, this K4 and K9 needs to be changed. That should not be, that will not available here. So check what are all the items which is available. Total 575. So you give any 2 digits or 1 digit, whatever you want it. Got it? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. After this, the second step is we need to assign. Correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So here I will put it as OB. Sorry, first put it as /n. That is end session. /n for end session. So always use /n for end session. Okay. It is. If I put /n, it will go somewhere. But can you remember this? Or I'll do one thing. I'll put it here. /. So this is for end session. Okay. So whenever you want to come out from the, put /n and come out and then use the T codes. So like this. Then I'll go for OB39. Sorry, OB37. Sorry. I put /n in the session and put OB39. Sorry, 37. Sorry. 37. So this is where we need to assign. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Everybody put OB37 and come to the screen and see how to assign. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is called the fiscal year variant. Any doubts here for the fiscal year variant?
No, sir.
Clear? Clear or not? And then after this, you put it as /n, come out from this session. You have to see the screen. Then you put it is OB08. This is for currency tables that I already given you. This is currencies. You are not going to change anything because currency, you are just going to see only. You can explore like this position, put M, currency USD, or like that you can put and explore it. That value from leave it back always. Okay. And explore. That is not a problem. But don't do any changes here because it will affect my training. You got my point? Hello. Hello. Harita, it's okay? Hello. Hello. Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have to do the understand the basic settings of chart of account, structure of general ledger accounts, understand the difference between balance sheet and profit and loss statement accounts, create new account group and maintain the general ledger accounts, configure the field status of general ledger account, understand the functionality of reconciliation accounts, comprehend the account management in general ledger account. These are the things we are going to see here. And after that, we are going to see the manage different currency aspects in GL accounts, understand the different methods of creating and maintaining the GL accounts, understand the function and maintenance of group chart of accounts and country chart of accounts. So there are the 3 steps in create and use a chart of accounts. One is define chart of accounts. Second one is define the properties of chart of accounts. Assign the chart of accounts to the company code. Define, after that properties, then assign. Okay. So these are the 3 steps in the chart of accounts. Hello. Same like that for
Yes, sir.
So how the definition of the chart of accounts? Define is nothing but we need to give the chart of accounts key to identify what chart of accounts we are using. Description, what type of chart of account it is. Maintenance language is nothing but whether it is English or German or Hindi, whatever the languages, we need to maintain it. Length of GL account number, maximum it will be 10 digits. Max 10 digits. Okay. So 10 digits will be the maximum. In between that, we can able to fix what is the length of GL accounts. Manual and automatic creation of cost elements. Cost elements I will explain you at the time of cost center, profit center. For consolidation purpose, what group chart of accounts we are going to use it? That I told you, ledger approach, leading and non-leading ledgers. It will be get posted in leading ledgers or non-leading ledgers through group chart of accounts. Okay, so that will be there. If this chart of accounts you don't want any GL accounts there, we can individually block the GL account. So that is called as blocked indicator. Assigning of chart of accounts. One chart of accounts can be assigned to multiple company code, but one company code will have only one chart of accounts. Okay. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
This will come later. I will go for that. This will come later, but I will go with the first this one because next is what is meant by group chart of account, what is meant by operational chart of accounts. I will explain you. Okay. So, for example, you are working in a multinational company. So, head office is in USA, for example, I'm telling. Okay. So, this head office will have the group chart of account. I put 𝐓𝐶𝐲𝐬. So, this is called as group chart of accounts. Got it? Hello. Are you following me? Next, your branch office is situated all over the continents. For example, Europe, Asia, Oceania. Oceania is nothing but Oceania. You hear about that? What is the continent? Where it is? Hello. That's it.
Yes,
Answer
sir.
only I can go ahead. Oceania is nothing but Australia. Australia and New Zealand is called as Oceania. Okay, like that we have multiple operations all over the world. For example, 3 continents. So under this branch office, we have multiple other branch office, sub branch office, we call it a sub. Okay. So this sub will be located in, for example, Europe, it will be available in England or UK. I will put it as UK, France, German. So these are all comes under the Europe. Correct. And Asia, for example,
sir.
India. We have another one is Sri Lanka. And we have UAE, United Arab Emirates. This and all will come under the Asia. Same like that. For Oceania, it will be Australia and New Zealand. NZ. So like that, we have the multiple areas of operations. So even though this UK, France, German is in Euro, the local generally accepted accounting principle will be differed. Correct or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Same like that for Asia, India, Sri Lanka, and UAE, the local GAAP will be different. GAAP means GAAP is a generally accepted principle, accounting principle. We call it as GAAP. For all the countries will be differs. Correct. Each and every countries will be differs. Correct. So
Correct, sir.
for this reason, the SAP has come with an solution called as, we make this as 𝐓𝐶𝐲𝐬. Under that, we make this as operational chart of account, OCOA. OCOA. That is operational chart of accounts. Okay. Under this, we have the country chart of account, CCOA. So this is nothing but this one. The material which I shared with you, this is there. You can see that also. This will better for you, whatever I told you. You got my point? Can you guys able to understand this picture? Hello. Can you able to relate it?
Yes, sir.
So here, even though the head office is in US, the branch office will consider that US also as another one continent, that is America. America also as a continent. In that America, we have North America, right? North America, we can have a separate continent. So this North America also, the sub we have US and Canada for North America. NA I will put it as. So under that, here also the countries will differ. US and Canada will be different country chart of account they will follow. So for them also we keep an operational chart of accounts. All this comes to this GCOE. This group chart of accounts will accept all the countries group, the generally accepted accounting principle, and give an external report to the stakeholders. So this can be the headquarters can be US or it can be Brazil, whatever may be. That is not a problem at all. GCOA is structured how this consolidation will take place, like this. You got it? Hello. Guys, you understand
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Yeah. So under this country chart of accounts, we have company code segments. Okay. And after that, we have the operational chart of accounts will be there. So everything will be country chart of accounts. It will go to the company code segment. From there, it will go to the operational chart of accounts. And from there, operational chart of account, it will go to the group chart of account, and group reporting will be happen. Say for Europe, we have the INT. For US, we have the CAUS. Group chart of account will be flexible for both of this because they have 5 countries. For INT, under that country specific chart of account is Spain, Germany, and England. Here, US, they have the USA and Canada. So all these reports will be go to this group chart of accounts. There it needs to be consolidated and give the consolidated report to the stakeholders. Correct or not? Hello.
Correct, sir.
Yeah. So for this reason only we have the chart of accounts scenario like this. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
So after this, we'll go back and we'll do this general ledger and all. Tomorrow I will start with this unit 2 lesson 1. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Doubts or something from your side?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everything fine. So what we covered? The 19 fiscal area we covered, right? Hello. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we covered. And after that fiscal year variant we covered. Correct. Hello.
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This one I will cover later. Tolerance limit document type is the currencies. So this exchange rate we have covered, correct?
Correct, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So these are the areas we have covered. Next, tomorrow we'll go with this business area, how to define business area, that I will show you. After that, we'll go with this posting period variance, assign variance to company code is same. That is assign company code, company to company code, same like that. You are assigning it. Open and closing posting periods that I will show. Field status variant I will show. Company to fiscal year variant, that assign company code to fiscal year variant done, right? Covered. Fiscal year variant. That is OB 37. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is
Yes,
covered.
sir.
Tolerance, document type, document number ranges, define chart of accounts, company code to chart of accounts, define account group. This are tomorrow I'll take it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Payment terms, that and all. Assign company code to credit controlling area. Tolerance group for users, that and all. So what is the document? The document which is shared, that covers all this only. From there only I'm taking the class. I'm not going anything beyond that. You got my point?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you go here, in this back, you have the exercise. Because of the reason I shared this one to you. So, for example, see if you go like this, after I completed account group, see here there is a solution will be there, no? The solution 7. You can see, right?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So this solution will give you the path how to do the exercise. Same for the unit 1 also, the solutions will be there. See, solutions is there, right? You can go like this also. Okay, instead of my video, you can go like this also. For this reason, only I given this to you. Got it? The solution 4. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Solution 2, solution 1. So this will give a complete idea. You can go with this step by step. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everyone got this document? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can I close this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.